Are you having trouble connecting with your leads? I have the answer for you. It is not them. It is you. We are hot off an intimate mastermind with Phil M. Jones. He's a best-selling author for exactly what to say for real estate agents and many other businesses outside of our industry. His philosophy is change the words you're using and your world will change, which I have to say is totally true. So if you change your objective when cold calling or receiving leads to staying in curiosity and truly qualifying that person and helping them find their perfect home, you'll be able to really unmask whether or not this is somebody you can help, you can nurture, or if they're just not someone you could work with. And so we're going to talk about a couple of things and questions that you can use in order to get to that objective. So using questions like, where are you living now? Versus, are you looking to sell your home soon? The difference between the two is, are you looking to sell your home soon is a yes or no. If it's a no, the conversation's over. Where do you go from there? Well, let me ask you a few more questions about home selling and home finding. It's not going to work out. So by asking them, where are you living now? It helps them start the conversation of an open-looped convo, right? It's readily available information that they have. Well, I live in Royal Oak at 4th and Campbell. Okay, that gives you a lot of information. That's a starter home community. You know it has smaller lots, smaller homes. It's surrounding an elementary school. For you as a real estate professional, it gives you so much more than the actual question. And then from there, you get to ask questions, right? Oh, that's right by XYZ school or XYZ store. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. Oh yeah, I have 3 kids that go there. Great, now you know it's a growing family. Starter homes over there with 3 kids is not necessarily where people want to be at that point. So they're probably looking to move. The second piece is ask them, what are some things you don't like about where you're currently living? What we all know about this is that you have a list, I have a list, everyone has a running tally of things they wish they had or didn't have in their current home. So they're going to give that to you. Again, readily available information that they can share with you without thinking too hard. Maybe it's a garage, maybe it's more space, land. These sort of things will help you then come in and guide them to be the hero in this story of finding that home, right? If it's more space, you get to go, hey, did you see that 4-bedroom 3 blocks away in Vincetta Park? It's gorgeous, it's priced properly. You know, I think it answers all the things that you wish you had in your home today. Oh, no, I haven't seen it. Or maybe you'll find out that they're an A buyer. They've been scouring the internet for that exact home and they know all about it. Now you know they have a sense of urgency. All of these questions, just these simple 2 shifts in language, will allow you to have a much longer conversation, qualifying a potential client, and staying in curiosity. I hope you guys found this helpful. Again, we release videos here at Thrive in Real Estate every Monday and Thursday. So if you haven't shared this with your peers or your admin staff, please do. We hope to help you in any capacity that we can.